Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description box for the same. For personal readings and healing sessions, links are given below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Okay, honey, let's see. Virgo, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Four of Cups, the Six of Swords, and the Star. This person is very disappointed in the situation. They are emotionally very disappointed. This person is feeling like moving on and healing themselves properly, and this person is feeling they should not look back because enough is enough. They have given everything to the situation. From their side, all they got is emotional confusion, all they got is frustration, all they got is disappointment. Now this person is feeling like they should completely move on from the situation and heal themselves with all of their heart and soul, with all of their heart and soul. So basically they feel like moving on and not looking back. Let's see what this person wants from you, from the situation. What are their intentions? We have the Hanged Man, the Five of Swords, the Page of Swords. Yeah, see, their intention is to watch you from a distance. Their intention is to protect themselves at any cost. See, they want to see things from a different perspective. And the more they're trying to see things from a different perspective, the more they are understanding that, according to them, you are the one to blame here. You are the one who did something really rubbish. And they just want to keep a safe distance, but they want to be watchful. They want to see what you are up to, what you are doing these days. Have you changed? Are you the same person? Are you with other people? So just out of curiosity, they want to know each and everything about you. Plus they don't want to get hurt again, so they just want to surrender to the divine and let it go. Okay, I don't see this person's feelings and intentions in any way of coming back to you or reconnecting with you or wanting to be with you, at least for the time being. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb. We have the Six of Cups, the Four of Wands, the Knight of... What? Wow, this person is coming to you suddenly out of the blue. They are going to connect with you and they are going to talk to you about commitment and or marriage. See, I do see communication happening where they are going to tell you something regarding commitment and or marriage. Either they are getting married or committed to somebody else from their past, or they want to have a commitment kind of energy between you and them because they are tired of this on and off, in and out kind of energy. Take it how it resonates with you. But I do see this person taking certain action from their side, where either they are going to talk to you about commitment with you because they are done with the on and off, in and out kind of energy, and they want to be with you for the long term. If you're ready, they are in the game. If not, goodbye. Or they are going to talk to you about the commitment and or marriage part with somebody that they were already connected to, and now they are moving forward with them, but informing you. But I do see there are good chances of communication here, where this person is going to talk to you about commitment, either with you, if it is possible, or with somebody else that they are already connected to or were connected to at some point of time. But telling you, my God, I was not expecting this kind of reading. This is strange, but this is what I'm getting. So this is the truth here. For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Cups. Surround yourself with people who are like family to you or literal family. The more you are going to stay with people with of positive vibes who loves you and you love them, the more your life is going to be easier and peaceful. Forget about the love and relationship, romantic love and relationship for the time being. Surround yourself with positive vibes, positive people, and positive energies, and you will be able to understand that only romantic love is not love. Hmm? Unconditional love, people who loves you genuinely, people who you love genuinely, is the type of love that you should surround yourself with all the time, right? Let's say by any chance you are one of those people who always cry and say, oh, I don't have anybody by my side. Meditate, be with yourself, find your own inner self to be with, and you don't want anybody. Trust me, because I'm doing it from a very long time now. I do understand this now, and I know this completely. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.